If you love Asian cuisine like I do, and you've been wondering how to create that bold aromatic flavor in your favorite Chinese dishes, this video is for you. Chinese 5-spice powder is the real deal, and making your own is easier than you think. Watch to the end so you don't miss any part of this amazing recipe. First, toast the ingredients. 2 tablespoons Sichuan peppercorns, 2 teaspoons fennel seeds, 6 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. Remember, the frying pan has to be dry. You can break the cinnamon and star anise into smaller pieces to be easy on the blender. Now go ahead and toast the spices over low heat, stirring frequently until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the spices or they will taste bitter. Nobody wants that. Toasting whole spices releases their oils, thereby enhancing their flavor. These are our toasted spices, already looking so lovely and smelling amazing. Allow the spices to cool completely and then grind them into a fine powder. You may use your blender, your spice grinder, your coffee grinder, mortar and pestle, whatever you have. Now our Chinese 5-spice powder is ready. Trust me, this wonder spice will definitely elevate your cooking. You can use it to flavor braised or roasted meat, fish, and poultry dishes. It can also be added to marinades and rubs. I add it to some rice recipes too. And a dash of this spice in your oatmeal creates magic. Store your spice blend in an airtight container away from heat and direct sunlight. It can keep up to 6 months, and that is if you don't finish it within a few days, like I do mine. Now that you have learned this simple recipe to take your cooking to the next level, you may want to watch the video on how to make pepper soup spice mix too. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family to help us reach a wider audience, please. Rate this recipe in the comment section. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye for now.